Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily add drawings to your photos or videos on CapCut. So the drawing feature can be found under the text menu. So if you want to add your drawing, just go to text and swipe until you find draw. Click on that, and in here you can choose the type of brush or pen that you want to use. There is this solid brush, or like a crayon here, or the dash line in here, or the one with arrow. So you can just choose which one to use. I'm going to just use the basic one. And you can also adjust the size, hardness, opacity, and also choose the color. So I'm going to use, okay, for example, this color. You can just draw it like this. You can draw anything that you want. Okay, if you want to erase, you can click on this and brush the part that you want to erase like this. Okay, when you're done, just click on the check icon, and just like that, the drawing will be added to your photos or videos. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.